topic, I would like to share the introduction of basil. Firstly, classification of basil. Basil belongs to kingdom Plantae, phylum Spermatophyta, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, order Lamiales, family Lamiaceae, genus Ocimum, species Ocimum basilicum, and local name Tulsi. Basically, basil is annual or sometimes perennial herb, used for its leaves depending on the variety of plants. Can reach heights of between 30 to 150 centimeter. Its leaves are richly green and ovate and from 3 to 11 centimeter long and between 1 to 6 centimeter wide. Its flowers are small and white and grow from a center of inflorescence. Now the habit and habitat of basil. Basil grows naturally in moist soil all over the globe. This plant also grows as a pod herb in homes and gardens. Tulsi is cultivated in semi-urban areas and the fresh herbage is sold to temples and worship centers. The major source of basil is from wide habitat including uncultivated field and roadsides. Now the nativity of basil. Basil is a native of India and other tropical regions, stretching from Africa to Southeast Asia. Now I want to talk about the phytochemicals of basil. Basil contains different types of phytochemicals. There are many important phytochemicals are present in basils such as volatile aromatic compounds, linalool methyl, cavicol 1-add cineol, eugenol, mycin. The aroma profile of basil includes 1-add cineol and methyl eugenol. So, cineol, eugenol, mycin, methyl eugenol are present in basil. Basically, basil is relatively sustainable. There is no known scientific damage to air, water, soil, land and forest, so it gives good effect on environment and helps to establish. The most important thing of basil its communal uses. Since basil is native of India and it is cultivated throughout the India, basil also has great importance for their people. According to Hindus, because of basil, happiness and prosperity comes in their homes. Tulsi or Tulsi Vrinda, holy basil is a sacred plant in Hindu belief. Hindu regard it is an earthly manifestation of the goddess. Tulsi is regarded as the avatar of Lakshmi and thus the consort of the god. In the other legends, she is called Vrind and distinct from Lakshmi. Many Hindus have tulsi plants growing in front of or near their home, often in special pots or a special masonry structure known as Tulsi Vrindavan, as this is related to their culture. Traditionally, tulsi is planted in the center of the central courtyard of Hindu houses. The plant is cultivated for religious purposes and its essential oils. The most important use of basil is Hindu select one day for Tulsi Puja and in this puja they rotate 7 times around the basil plant. They also use basil for many other purposes. We will talk about the varieties of basils. There are many varieties of basils such as sweet basils, Genovese basils, Thai sweet basils, purple basil, lime basil, lemon basil, lettuce basil, African blue basil, cinnamon basil, holy basil, green rufous basil, cardinal basils, Greek basil, spicy group basil, summer long basils. They all are the types of basils and they have many medicinal importance. Come to the important thing that is medicinal importance of basil. There are many and more medicinal importance of basil, but some are as follows. Basil are good for stomach, intestinal gas, head colds, worm infections, acne, blackhead, gums disorder, mental alertness, digestive problems, skin rashes. Basil keep away depression and inflammation of body. Now we will talk about how basil works. Number 1, for digestion. It was an appetizer and promotes digestion by helping in secretion of digestive enzymes. Intestinal gas. Basil contains many chemicals. These chemicals might help get rid of intestinal worms. Basil is a good source of vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium. For mental alertness, early research suggests that Aromatherapy with basil, peppermint, and sandy everlasting essential oils for 1 week might improve attention, mental alertness, and mental focus. Now we will talk about how basil is good for acne. Early research suggests that applying a gel containing basil and sweet orange essential oils to the skin for 8 weeks might help urea breakout in people with acne. Basil for worms, insects biting, and skin rashes. The parts of the plant that grow above the ground are used to make medicine for worm infections, insects biting, and skin rashes. And basil paste with some oils also useful for these infections. For inflammation, essential oils in basil including eugenol and laurel etc. can help to fight inflammation in body. These anti-inflammatory properties can help to lower the risk of inflammation. Now, how basil leaves good for gum disorders? Being a powerful natural antibiotic, Tulsi play a vital role in the prevention of gum diseases. Tulsi leaves also possess antibacterial activity which help in the prevention of dental plaque and bad breath. Chew few Tulsi leaves every day to prevent gum diseases. Basil for blackheads of skin. One of the benefits of basil for skin is that it contains campine, which works as a natural tonic to remove excess oils in the skin, blackheads, whiteheads, and other skin problems. We'll talk about the medicinal importance of basil seeds. Basil seeds are good for weight loss, body heat, constipation, acidity, skin or hair, flu, stomach, and diabetes. Basil seeds for diabetes. Keep tulsi root powder in water overnight and take it early morning. The medicinal property of the plant helps maintain insulin level in the body and it is a natural cure for our diabetes. Basil for weight loss. Basil seeds contain alpha-linolic acid which come from high levels of omega-3 fatty acids present in seeds. This acid help in boosting the fats burning metabolism in the body. These all chemicals help in weight loss. We will talk about how basil seeds reduce body heat. In some Asian countries like Thailand, basil seeds are used to make a drink along with water, sugar, honey, and sometimes coconut milk. It is a great drink to sip on to the beat the scorching summer heat. They are one of the body coolants. Now we will talk about the basil seeds, good for skin and hair. Apply and infected areas, help in treating several skin infections like eczema and processes. Crush the seeds with soaking it in a cup of coconut oil and warm it for a few minutes before using. Eating basil seeds regularly help your body secrete which is required to form new skin cells and when they are damaged due to the normal wear and tear. Basil seeds are full of iron, vitamin K, and protein. These minerals are essential for long hair and strong hair. Protein and iron are promotes hair growth and adds volume. So this is all about my documentary of basils. So thank you so much, my respected teacher and my all classmates, to watching and